Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bloom effect in DaVinci Resolve. So we are going to head over the DaVinci Resolve project. I'm going to add this video. As you can see, I have this video. It has some natural lighting and also some neon effect. This effect or the bloom effect is going to be stunning in the neons on the video. So what are we going to do? I'm going to let this clip for reference. So we are going to get the difference between this one and that one. I have duplicated or here trimmed the video. As you can see, I'm going to duplicate that video or this part of the video by pressing Alt, and then we are going to continuously click on the clip and drag it up top. As you can see, here we have duplicated the video. Now, what I'm going to do is to select the part that is duplicated. I'm going to click on the right side of the button or the right button of the mouse. Then we are going to open it in the Fusion page. Click on here. From there, we are going to see this Fusion page. Now, what I'm going to do is to hold Shift and press space. So we are going to get the select tool. As you can see, we are going to add a tool. Now, here I'm going to type in Lumen or Luma. So here we have the Luma key here. So we are going to see this LKY. I'm going to add it. And then you're going to see that it has selected only the bright or the brightest area. So the brightest area are going to be selected. Now what I'm going to do is to here decrease the gamma, as you can see, and it is going to here make the neon or the brightest area more brighter. So here the first thing, then we are going to press Shift and space again. And from here, we are going to add another tool, which is going to be soft glow. As you can see, this is the soft glow. I'm going to select it and add it. Now, as you can see, we have the bloom effect. Now we can go ahead and decrease it or increase it by playing within the gain. So we can make it a little bit softer or make it a little bit here bloomier. So I'm going to put it like that. And then we can go ahead and put the glow size to something increased like 25, 26, between 25 and 30. And here we have the effect. Now what are we going to do is to compare the two effects. I'm going to head over the editing. So we are going to see the first part. This is the first part, which is with no bloom effect, and this is with the bloom effect. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.